What's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this little app right here called MoneyTime, okay? It says you can play and earn. It's a rewards app. Now, the big question is this real or is this fake? Is it legit? Can you really make money? Let's talk about how this works. How much money can you really make, okay? Or are there better ways to make money online out there? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link all the way at the bottom and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, all sorts of different games, also different business models, offers, websites, things like that. And some of them are good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are big waste of time. So let's check out MoneyTime to see whether it's a waste of time or is it a great way to make money, or maybe there are better ways out there, right? Now, MoneyTime is basically a gaming app, okay? So you can download it from the Google Play Store. It's got about 100,000 downloads just for Android, which is not huge, but you know, it's not too bad either. 100,000 is quite a lot, all right? Now, there are a lot of these gaming style apps, all right? Now, MoneyTime is pretty much the same as a lot of the ones out there. So if you were to download it, you would find all sorts of different games. You would find puzzle games, you would find slashing games, you would find adventure games, you would find role-playing games, you know, ball games, all sorts of different types of games. And the way that it works is as you play the games, you're going to see ads, all right? So that's how they make their money. The company behind MoneyTime has to make money too. So the way that it works is as you play the games, they're going to be displaying these ads to you, all right? And the more ads you watch, the more games you play, essentially the more money that you're going to make. It's as simple as that, right? So if you don't like watching ads, then this is not a good strategy for you, all right? So as you play the games, you can choose whatever games you want. The more you play the games, the more ads you watch, the more what they call monies you will win, okay? Now, this isn't money. This is equivalent to points, and then you will convert them into money later on, all right? And I'll show you exactly how that works, okay? So that's it. It's as simple as that. You play it, you play the games, you watch the ads. The more ads you watch, the more monies you make, and then you can convert that into real money. Now, what are the different ways that you can withdraw? You can actually withdraw through PayPal, which is cool, right? So most people have a PayPal account. PayPal's available in more than 250 countries around the world, right? So that's a nice thing. You can withdraw directly to cash into your PayPal account, spend the money on whatever you want, or you can withdraw through gift cards, and they've got different gift cards depending on where you live in the world. Now, this is important, okay? If you withdraw through PayPal, the minimum threshold is $4. If you decide to withdraw through a gift card, like an Amazon gift card, the minimum withdrawal is $8. It's a little bit more, all right? So I would probably just withdraw through PayPal because that means you can do whatever you want with the money. You know, with the gift cards, you're limited to whatever gift card that you withdraw, okay? But the nice thing is that MoneyTime is legit and they really do pay out. That's the biggest thing and the biggest takeaway from this, okay? Now, all sorts of different games, as you can see, you know, dice games, puzzle games, this sword game, right? Cool little number games and things like that. So if you enjoy playing games and you want to make a little bit of money, then you can do that, okay? Now, the big question is how much money can you really make from playing this kind of app, all right? Now, this is the thing that you have to understand about gaming apps. They don't make that much money because the way that this business model works is they make money from showing their users ads, okay? So the more ads that you watch, the more money this company makes, and then they'll pay you a little bit of money for your time. That's kind of how it works, okay? Now, on average, this particular gaming app, it does pay a little bit higher than other gaming apps that I've reviewed in the past, okay? So if you spend a whole hour playing games and just, you know, watching the ads, playing games, watching the ads, you will make an equivalent of about $1 per hour, roughly. Sometimes you'll make a little bit less, but it's roughly about that. An hour for your time, you get paid about $1, okay? Over time, you might see that it's going to be a little bit more difficult because generally, you know, gaming apps, that's what they do. The longer you spend on them, the more difficult it is to earn, but roughly when you first start, you'll make about $1 per hour of your time. So if you spend 2 hours a day playing MoneyTime, you might be able to make between $1 to $2 that day. Okay, so it's not a lot of money. You're not going to be able to quit your full-time job, okay? You know, you can't travel the world, you can't retire. It's nothing like that. This is more just, look, if you enjoy playing games, this is the only time that I would use an app like this, okay? If you like to play games and you just want to make a little bit of extra money anyway, just for playing the game. You know, if you spend an hour on this, you do it, you know, an hour a day, that's an extra $30 a month, okay? But what I wouldn't do is, if you are here to make money, right? You're here because you're interested in learning a money-making strategy. This is a very, very bad money-making strategy, because it's a waste of time, if you ask me, right? I mean, if you're spending 2 hours a day on the internet and you're only making $1 to $2 for that time, then you're only really making $30 to $60 a month. Whereas if you applied that time, 2 hours a day, into building a real business, and there are so many other strategies that will pay you more, and I've reviewed a lot of them on this channel, you would be making way more money. You'd be making hundreds of dollars a day rather than $1 to $2 a day, okay? So here's what I would say. I think MoneyTime's great. It's a legitimate gaming app, but you're only going to make very, very little money. $1 for every hour that you play, okay? It's legitimate. You can really withdraw. They will really pay out. So I think that's the cool part about it. But is this a good use of your time? I think this is a big waste of time if you want to make money. But if you want to just play some games and you enjoy that and you don't mind making a little bit of extra money on the side, then you can come and check out the MoneyTime app at the Google Play Store, all right? Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to make big money online. On this channel, I have invested a lot of my time researching and testing a lot of different strategies to make money on the internet. All sorts of different business models, all sorts of different websites, apps, you know, different strategies, right? I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now, out of all the good strategies that I've tried, and I've tested and I failed at, there was one where I was very successful with. In 2019, I used a strategy to quit my full-time job. I have 5 times my old corporate salary. I work full-time from home, and I think this is the best strategy for beginners who have never made a cent online. If you would like to check out that strategy, maybe it'll change your life too, click the link all the way at the bottom. I've got a free masterclass that will show you exactly how this works, and you can check it out if you want, okay? I hope you enjoyed this review of MoneyTime. All the best to you. See you on another video review. Take care.